Hello everybody, my name is Ellisa Cooper and this is Cooking in Quarantine Extras. In particular today, this is Slow Cooker Sunday. So I have realized, even though I am shopping for my own little slow cooker, or what do we call them? There's a brand name for them. But I haven't gotten one yet, but I was doing some reading and I realized that whatever you would do in a slow cooker, you can do in a Dutch oven in 1/4 of the time. So starting here, I have just in my Dutch oven, I have here 3 skinless chicken thighs. If you remember a few days ago, I made fixings for fish tacos, so there's still going to be a little bit of slaw and a little bean salad and all kinds of stuff left over. So I'm thinking a little pulled chicken would make for a great slow cooker Sunday. So what I've gotten here is I have kind of a gold sauce. So I have, instead of making a barbecue sauce that's just, or just pouring barbecue sauce right in here, which is the recipe that I looked at that said, so I'm making a gold sauce. So Dijon mustard, a little Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of hot sauce, about a tablespoon, and then I have garlic powder, Hungarian paprika, coriander, cumin, a little curry powder, and some crushed red pepper flakes, all right in here together. So I'm going to take all of this and mix all of this together, and that's going to be a little pasty. And I'm going to then take just, oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, just delicious. And then I'm going to pour a little bit of stock in here to thin that out and make it so that it's just the right amount to kind of coat and cover my chicken thighs. And then, as I said, any recipe that calls for, you look at the low time in your slow cooker, and the low time in your slow cooker divided by 4 is closed Dutch oven in your oven at 325. So here I am trying to get my oven. So this recipe, which basically said cover in your slow cooker your chicken with a bottle of barbecue sauce. Well, I'm making my own, and this could actually even be a little thinner, I think. And then we're going to just put this right over and put this right in, put the timer on, and walk away. So let's see what happens when we pour this right over. Look at that, it smells so good. Perfect. So beautiful and so nice. Perfect. So that is nice and thick and should be absolutely beautiful on here. And then when this is done, we'll just let it cool a little bit. Take 2 forks and tear the meat apart, and it'll flake right up. It'd be beautiful. So guys, there's Slow Cooker Sunday, the first one. So I hope that everybody else has something awesome planned for today. And I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. And that's all, guys. Thanks so much, and we'll see you again here soon at Cooking in Quarantine.